Happy 4th of July, sauna family. This is Matt Justice from Certified Saunas. If you've been on the fence about getting a truly non-toxic low EMF sauna, this is your moment. This isn't just any sale. Heavenly Heat just restocked 300 plus units, and that's rare. A lot of other companies aren't shipping, in record-breaking time. I know a lot of stuff has been out of stock for many, many months. This weekend only, I just heard from Heavenly Heat, and through July 6th, I've got a stackable discount that could save you over $1,000, depending on which model you want. So let's break it down. You get 10% off with my discount code JUSTICE. You get free installation on all infrared-only models. And models are in stock and ready to ship, including the Eco, two-person infrared, and red light saunas. And yep, this sale runs from this weekend through next Sunday, which is July 6th, I believe. If you just go to the link below, pick your sauna, enter code JUSTICE at checkout, that qualifies you for the discount. There's usually a group buy in the Facebook group, but this sale matches that and is stackable with the sale price on the website. So if you followed me for a while, I've reviewed just about every sauna on the market, and Heavenly Heat, they're one of the only brands I trust to be safe enough for people with chemical sensitivities, MCS, Lyme, autoimmunity. There's no toxic glues, no plywood, no weird smells. And the best part is you're supporting a veteran-owned company. Colin, the owner, is a former Navy SEAL. He's the real deal. His team builds these the right way, no shortcuts. They've improved them. They're coming out with new products. I love what the company stands for. The build quality speaks for itself from the second you take it out of the box. You just notice the difference. So once these 300 units are gone, I believe it could be months before restock. So if you've been waiting for a deal, don't wait on this. July 6th is the deadline with free install and 10% off. This is probably the best Heavenly Heat offer of the year so far. So click the link below, lock in your order. Remember to use discount code JUSTICE at checkout. If you have questions about which model is right for you, drop a comment, shoot me a message, or post in the Facebook group. If you need help with electrical or you have a complex install situation, you can always post a picture of the whole reason for the Facebook group is for you to be able to post a picture and get our help. The members of my team are extremely helpful. There's 30,000 people in there who have also been in the same situation as you. So we like to bounce ideas off each other, figure out the best placement, make sure things work really well for you. It's not all about just pushing stuff on people. We want to make sure that this serves you for years to come, actually works well, is easy to use, because if not, you're not going to use it all the time. And if you don't use it all the time regularly, you're not going to get the health benefits. And we want to get the health benefits. We all kind of want the same thing. So if you have questions, stay safe, sweat smart. Happy 4th of July, everyone. This is Matt signing off. We'll see you in the next one.